We are just a few days away from the next iPhone event, which is scheduled for September 9th. While there are many rumors, we do have some verifiable details about the iPhone 17 Pro variants. The first is the revival of aluminum. If you are currently utilizing an iPhone 15 or 16, this suggests you are using a titanium-made iPhone. While titanium is extremely durable, it is much more expensive and heavier than aluminum. This year, Apple is reportedly returning to aluminum. They're doing this to save money, and using aluminum will make the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max lighter. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will also see an increase in battery life. For example, the Pro Max model will feature a 5,000 mAh battery, putting it on level with Android competition. However, a larger battery implies more weight, which is why Apple is employing aluminum this year to make the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max variants lighter and more comfortable to carry. While we don't know exactly how durable these new iPhones will be, only time will tell. The second item you should consider is the redesigned back design. For the first time in years, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max variants will feature a fresh back design. This means that a massive camera bar will be there on the back. And it's not just for looks. It'll also aid to accommodate the spanking new 48-megapixel periscope zoom camera. This zoom camera will allow Apple to challenge Samsung's dominance in the camera zoom industry. Official cases for these iPhones were also leaked, revealing the identical leaked back design as the next iPhones. It is predicted that the camera will have up to 8x optical zoom. Once again, this will be optical rather than digital zoom, thus the quality will be excellent even at 8x zoom. The third thing to bear in mind is the announcement of the iPhone 17 Air. While the Pro models will remain unchanged from prior years, Apple is discontinuing the 17 Plus model and instead introducing the iPhone 17 Air. This will be a significantly thinner smartphone, with the sole drawback being the battery life. The battery will be less than 3,000 mAh. So, if you like ultra-thin phones, you might want to try the iPhone Air. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.